Welcome back to another video, guys. It's Ryan from Kirbside Cleaning, and today, oh, just nearly broke that. We are got quite an interesting job. I was looking forward to this job because we was meant to be doing the driveway and the wall at some point as well, but they've had that done by a friend of the family. So I'll quickly show you. We're going to be doing all the front of this house here, all the front of the brickwork up there, and then see the driveway. Yeah, I'm going to take pictures of everything, yeah, for you. I'm going to do pictures of the wall as well, so you can see how it works, just so you can have a look back. All right. All the patio goes all the way around here. Quite green in places. I think this is a limestone, so we'll probably go a bit of a lower pressure. Just try not to mark it as best we can. It's a nice size. We're going to do a little section at the back as well down there. Make sure that's all done nicely. Get this all looking top notch. And then it comes all the way down here. This little section around here. Also going to tidy up all these little side bits for the customer as well. The brickwork on the sides and the back is absolutely fine. It's just that front section, so we can get rid of all these weeds, all this moss around here. We'll get rid of. She does want me back to redo the driveway for some reason, just because it was a friend of hers. There's a lot of grass just sort of growing back through, so yeah. But yeah, this bit and all this section around here. So it's quite dark, especially around here. It's quite dark. It does look like, I don't know if that's coming up on the camera, someone has done a test patch for her, which she hasn't told me about, but hopefully that's how it comes out. But yeah, I'm going to get set up and get you set up on the camera, and we'll go from there. Right, so that's the front section of the house done. Still need to do that bit, but there's in between the windows it's still quite dark. I don't know if it's coming out on the camera. When I take a photo, this section up here, I'm going to try and get the ladders and go up and do this section by hand with some soft wash, and I'm going to try and soft wash these middle sections. The rest of it's come up really, really nice. Don't know if that bit is a little bit dark as well, so I'm going to try and soft wash it and see what happens. So yeah, let's do that. Both sections of the wall are done. This one's been soft washed, so the darkening, although I don't know if on the pictures it comes up a lot darker, but when you're looking at it with your eyes it's fine. So I'm just going to go over this bit again because it's still a little bit dark. I've checked over that bit with the client, she's happy. We're going to treat this middle coping stone, only goes to there. Probably, I don't know if you see on the chimney breast, there's a bit of dark there, so we'll treat that with a soft wash as well, and then soft wash this section over here, and then we're going to get started on the patio. So yeah, Let's get that done. We're currently at 11 o'clock, so we're 2 hours in, and so I think we're making good time. It's definitely time for me to get some bigger trousers, pop my trouser button again. Tell you what, stop eating takeaway. What a joke, cost me a fortune in trousers. Anyway, let's crack. Right, so that's both sideways done. I've got to go back over this bit. You can see there's a couple of marks there. They've started drying out, so I'm going to go back over that with a big surface cleaner. All the steps have been done. And this side up to here has been done. We also gave this poster going over because it's quite green. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to time lapse this main bit of the patio. I'll probably film the bit down there like how I normally film. But yeah, I'm not sure if you're going to see a huge difference on the time lapse. It looks a lot dirtier in real life than it does on the camera. So you might see it, but as soon as it gets wet, it sort of goes the same colour. So quite difficult to clean. So I'm just going to stick it on a time lapse and yeah, hope for the best. So hope you enjoy. So I think we're all done, guys. I'll quickly walk you around the property and show you exactly what we've done. I've still got a little bit of tidying up to do here where we've sort of walked in and out, muddy footprints, and I've got to clean the windows down. But here is the side of the property that we cleaned. Here's the other side. Again, it's not perfect. This is a shadow from the tree. That's why it looks a bit darker. But it's a hell of a lot better. All the coping stones have been soft washed as well. They were like almost black, so they've come up quite nice. And then around here, we get to the patio. And it's still a little bit wet down this side section. But I think I am just going to go over this middle bit again. There's a little bit, a couple of lines. I don't know if they're coming out on the camera, but I can definitely see them. Just here, in places. And then there's a square there. I'm not sure what the square's from. That's the bin wasn't there, so yeah, we're going to do that again. And then at this back section, I think it's slightly different stone in the back section. But it's come up really nice. It's almost like slate, this back section. Very, very beautiful. But yeah, I'm going to quickly finish off that last bit of the patio, and then just check with the client, get the windows cleaned, and get home for the day. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Catch you in the next one.